triangle, rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus, trapezium. Spot the shape. Apply its rules. Every PSLE angle question solved. Let's master angles in 8 minutes. Welcome to SmartPath SG, where every student can learn, grow, and succeed. Welcome to finding unknown angles in composite figures. Today we will work through 7 PSLE-style questions that span both Paper 1 and Paper 2. Here's the plan. First, the toolkit. 4 angle facts, and 6 shape properties you must know. Then 3 Paper 1 style questions, followed by 4 Paper 2 style questions, and lastly a checklist that helps you solve every angle problem. Let's first load up the toolkit you will use. There are 4 angle facts that do a lot of heavy lifting. Angles in a triangle add to 180. Angles on a straight line add to 180. Angles around a point add to 360. And when 2 lines cross, vertically opposite angles are equal. Now 6 shapes you should know very well. Equilateral, all angles 60. Isosceles, base angles equal. Rectangle and square, 90-degree corners. Parallelogram, opposite angles equal. Adjacent, add to 180. Rhombus, a special parallelogram with all 4 sides equal. Trapezium, co-interior angles between the parallel sides add to 180. Next, 3 Paper 1 type questions. Question 1. BCD is an equilateral triangle. ABD is an isosceles triangle with AD equals BD and angle ABD equals 52 degrees. Find angle DCA. The key is to recognize that triangle ACD is isosceles because AD equals BD and BD equals CD, therefore AD equals CD. Since angle DCA is one of the base angles of an isosceles, we can solve it if we know the apex angle ADC. We already know angle BDC equals 60 because it's an interior angle of an equilateral triangle. Let's see if we can solve for angle ADB first. Yes, ADB is the apex angle of isosceles ABD, and we are given one of its base angles, ABD. Angle ADB equals 180 minus 2 52s, which is 76 degrees. Angle ADC is 76 plus 60, which is 136. Now we have enough to solve for angle DCA, which is 180 minus 136, then divided by 2, and we get 22 degrees. So answer is option 1. Question 2. ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB equals AC. D lies on AC, such that BD equals BC. Given angle ABD equals 30 degrees, find angle BAC. The key is to recognize that angle ACB is a base angle in both isosceles triangles, ABC and BCD. In other words, 3 angles are equal in this figure, ACB, ABC, and BDC. Next, notice that these 3 angles sum up to be 180 plus 30, where 180 is the sum of the interior angles of triangle BCD. It follows that each of these base angles equals 70 degrees, so the apex angle BAC equals 40 degrees. And answer is option 3. Question 3. ABCD is a parallelogram. The diagonal BD divides angle ABC so that angle ABD is twice the angle DBC. Given angle BCD equals 66 degrees, find A, angle BDC, and B, angle DBC. Angle ABC is adjacent to angle BCD, so it's 180 minus 66, which is 114. Split that 114 in a 2-to-1 ratio. 3 parts, so angle ABD is 76, and 1 part, angle DBC is 38. So we solve part B first. Part A, angle BDC equals angle ABD by alternate angles, so 76 degrees. Next, 4 Paper 2 style questions. Question 4. ABCD is a rectangle. E lies on AD. The diagonal AC meets BE at F. Given angle ABE equals 50 degrees, and angle ACB equals 28 degrees. Find angle BFC. There are usually more than one way to solve an angle problem. We will show 2 for this one. Method 1. Since ABC is a right-angled triangle, so angle BAC is 180 minus 90 minus 28, which is 62 degrees. Notice that angle BFC is an exterior angle of triangle ABF, so it is equal to the sum of the 2 non-adjacent interior angles, 50 plus 62, which gives us the answer, 112 degrees. Next, let's look at method 2. Because angle ABC is 90 degrees, angle FBC equals 90 minus 50 equals 40 degrees. Now we know 2 interior angles of triangle BFC, so angle BFC equals 180 minus 40 minus 28, which also gives us the answer 112 degrees. Question 5. ABCD is a rhombus and DCE is an isosceles triangle with DC equals DE. B, C, and E lie on a straight line. Angle ADC equals 76 degrees. Find A, angle DCE, and B, angle CDE. As adjacent angle of the rhombus, angle BCD is 180 minus 76, which is 104. Then the straight line BCE gives angle DCE equals 180 minus 104, so answer is 76 degrees. For part B, since DC equals DE, DCE is an isosceles triangle and angle DEC is also 76 degrees. The apex angle CDE is then 180 minus 76 minus 76, which gives us the answer of 28 degrees. Question 6. ABCD is a trapezium with AB parallel to DC. BC equals BD. Angle BCD equals 54 degrees and angle DAB equals 100 degrees. Find A, angle DBC, and B, angle ABD. Triangle BCD is isosceles, so angle BDC equals 54, and apex angle DBC is 180 minus 54, so answer is 72 degrees. For part B, angle ABC is co-interior with angle BCD, so it is 180 minus 54, which is 126 degrees. Then angle ABD is 126 minus 72, which gives us the answer 54 degrees. Question 7. ABCD is a rhombus, and BCE is an equilateral triangle, with E lying inside angle BCD between CB and CD. Angle DAB equals 140 degrees. Find angle CDE. Since opposite angles of a rhombus are equal, angle BCD equals angle DAB, which is 140 degrees. The equilateral triangle gives angle BCE equals 60. So angle DCE is 140 minus 60, which is 80 degrees. Now the key link, CE equals CB from the equilateral triangle, CB equals CD from the rhombus, so CE equals CD, and triangle CDE is isosceles. The base angles split 180 minus 80 in half, so angle CDE is 50 degrees. Now let's put together the rules behind all 7 questions. Isosceles, base angles equal. Equilateral, every angle is 60 degrees. Angles of triangle add up to 180. Angles on a line add up to 180. Angles around a point add up to 360. Parallelogram and rhombus. Adjacent angles add up to 180. Opposite angles equal. Trapezium. Co-interior angles add up to 180. Parallel lines. Alternate angles equal. Train your eyes for hidden equal lengths. And remember to state your reasons, as PSLE rewards method marks. Finally, in the exam itself, run this quick checklist. Label what you can. Look for equal sides. Name a rule for every new angle. Pick the right quadrilateral rule. And write down the reason. Now you have what it takes to solve every angle question. Thanks for watching. Head over to smartpathsg.com to play our free PSLE practice game, or join our community for more tips and resources. Don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week.